Microsoft reportedly stopped offering Claude Code to many employees, and honestly, that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is why. Think about it, a company with over 200,000 employees all experimenting with different AI tools. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, what could possibly go wrong? Here's the problem. Most companies know employees are using AI, but they don't know what data gets uploaded, which AI receives it, or where that information ends up. That's how shadow AI begins. So Microsoft's challenge probably isn't Claude, or ChatGPT, or any specific model. The real challenge is governance. Who can use AI? Which tools are approved? What information was shared? And can you prove it later? Because in the AI era, blocking tools isn't enough. Employees will always find new ones. What organizations need is visibility, control, and auditability. That's what AI governance is really about. With AnySecura AI governance, organizations can control which AI tools employees are allowed to use and block access to unapproved AI agents or websites. When employees interact with AI, sensitive files, source code, and intellectual property can be monitored and protected in real time, helping prevent risky uploads before they happen. Here's AnySecura in action, blocking sensitive documents before they can be uploaded to Gemini. And if questions arise later, detailed audit records provide full visibility into which AI tools were used and what information was shared. AI governance isn't about stopping AI, it's about using AI safely. See how AnySecura AI governance helps your organization monitor AI usage, block risky uploads, and keep every action traceable.